Hello guys, welcome again to my channel. Today I have a update for Taehyung. As you know, our 6 BTS members are in military right now, but BTS V takes time off from military service to attend best friend IU's concert in Seoul. Earlier today, we had seemingly hinted at his presence at IU's concert. We thought with this photo, he also take his friend from high school to IU's concert and he or she posted this picture. There's some picture of BTS V from balcony. That was for today's video guys. Stay tuned for more and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.